Polygon network and its subsequent Matic token has seen some of the best price action of any cryptocurrency in recent months. Matic's valuation went from 31 cents in June 17, 2022 to a peak of $1.30 in November of the same year, a more than 4x move in a bear market. This is due in part to its limited supply and its long list of high-profile partnerships. If you're looking for Web3 exposure, I can think of no other cryptocurrency with such an amazing combination of qualities. Stay tuned as I break down why Matic warrants serious consideration in your portfolio and what makes it so attractive. You won't want to miss this. My name is Crypto Andy, and it's my privilege to discuss Matic with you. That being said, what is covered in this episode is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Matic is a layer 2 proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that powers the Polygon network. It was founded in 2017 by Janit Kanani, Sandeep Nawal, and Anurag Arjun. Its main function is as a scaling solution, and their biggest client is the Ethereum network. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using sidechains. What are the scaling solutions Polygon is developing? Formerly known as the Matic network, Polygon improves the functionality of Ethereum in a variety of scaling solutions. Polygon POS, Proof of Stake, which is currently live, Polygon Midden, Polygon ZK EVM, Polygon Avail, Polygon Nightfall, Polygon Zero, and new on the block, Polygon Supernets. We will mainly be focusing on Polygon Proof of Stake. From a high level, there's a generic validation layer separated from varying execution environments like Ethereum EVM sidechains. The Polygon POS network has 3 layers: the Ethereum layer, the Heimdall layer, and the Bohr layer. To enable the proof of stake mechanism on Polygon, a set of staking management contracts are employed on Ethereum mainnet, the layer 1 settlement layer, and a set of incentivized validators run on Heimdall and Bohr nodes. Heimdall is the proof of stake validation layer that handles the aggregation of blocks produced by the Bohr layer. Heimdall validates all the blocks. Bohr is Polygon's sidechain block producer layer. Bohr is responsible for aggregating transactions into blocks, aka turning smart contract purchases into a format that can be added to the Ethereum block chain via Heimdall. The technical explanation on how this works is beyond the scope of this video. However, if you want more information about it, I have provided the documentation links in the description below. At this point, you may be wondering, how does the Matic token fit into all of this? The Matic token is used for transaction payments on dApps, some of those being atomic swaps between cross-chain crypto assets, in liquidity pools, in decentralized exchanges, and for lending and credit. Moving on to tokenomics, Matic has a max supply of 10 billion Matic tokens, a current circulating supply of $8.9 billion plus dollars, a price of 79 cents, and a market cap of $7 billion plus dollars as of December 24, 2022. According to Masari.com, Matic underwent early funding rounds. A seed round in April 26, where 209 million Matic tokens were sold for $0.00079 USD. An early supporter round on April 25th, where 171 million Matic tokens were sold for $0.0026 USD, and an initial exchange offering on April 25th, where 1.9 billion Matic tokens were sold for the same price. The overall percentage breakdown of the launch and initial token distribution is as follows. 3.8 of tokens were allocated to a private sale. The initial exchange offering took place on the Binance Launchpad for 1.9 billion Matic tokens that I mentioned earlier. The team got 16%, advisors 4%, network operations received 12%, the foundation got 21.86%, and the ecosystem received 23.33% of the launch and the initial token distribution. Based on the liquid supply curve available on Masari, it seems that initially, as of April 26, 2019, 2,830,000,000 Matic tokens were sold, with the token amount increasing to 3,830,000,000 plus tokens before year end. All 10 billion Matic tokens will be mined on May 2nd, 2025. I strongly encourage you to take a look at the liquidity supply curve of Matic tokens. It seems that once the tokens are mined, the price would be subject to market conditions and would rise in value given that there will be no more tokens created. 10 billion is a lot of tokens for a cryptocurrency to have, as compared to Bitcoin's 21 million max supply. However, given Matic's positioning with Ethereum and its partnerships, I think Matic could be well worth your time and investment, and I will personally be allocating Matic tokens to my portfolio for the next bull run. Now that we have covered its price action, let's move on to Matic's high-profile partnerships and latest developments. What are Matic's latest developments? Mir, a groundbreaking ZK startup, brought in a $400 million deal on December 9th, 2021. Mir gathered a team of talented cryptographers and engineers, and almost after 2 years of work, developed the world's fastest ZK scaling technology. The Mir team is now joining Polygon in order to utilize this groundbreaking technology and build their new project called Polygon 0, a highly scalable, Ethereum-compatible ZK rollup. Another partnership worth mentioning is Polygon announced a partnership with 776 Ventures, a capitalist firm founded by Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian. That partnership was announced back on December 2021, and it created a $200 million initiative, brought in social media and Web3, exploring better ways for humans to connect online. Reddit is a social sharing website built around users submitting links, pictures, and text, which everyone can then vote on. Reddit is very popular all around, and it's linked to YouTube via upvotes. Another major partnership, Disney chose Polygon for its accelerator program. Only 6 cryptocurrencies were picked for that program. Disney has a tradition of creating innovative technology when it comes to the entertainment industry. Specifically, in the past, they've developed technology around animatronics for theme parks and software for blockbuster movies, Disney movies. This partnership bodes really well in terms of Matic's future mainstream technological development and its adoption. This partnership expanded Matic's Web3 infrastructure, and it seeks to develop new technology with augmented reality, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and artificial intelligence. When that announcement was made in July 2022, Matic saw a 21% price surge in 24 hours. Robinhood announced on September 6, 2022, that it would support the Matic token on its platform. That led to a 6% increase of Matic's price, and led to a lot of millennials learning about Matic for the first time. A really important partnership was Meta announced earlier in 2021 that it would bring Web3 capabilities to NFTs on Facebook and on its other social platforms. They will have a end-to-end toolkit from creator to end user starting on Polygon's blockchain. People will easily be able to support creators on Instagram, and Meta hopes to expand to other countries other than the United States soon. This article came out in November 2021. Finally, most noteworthy of all is an all-time record for unique addresses was set by Polygon. They reached 190.95 million addresses on November 14th, 2022. This happened on the backdrop of Nike, the US sports retailing giant, launching its own marketplace for NFTs. The marketplace, dubbed Swoosh, will operate on Polygon's infrastructure. That's absolutely a massive partnership for usage in terms of transactions being settled with a Matic token for those who are interested in Web3, and those that did not know. Nike has invested more money than anyone else when it comes to Web3. All of these partnerships are happening during a cryptocurrency bear market. You can imagine the cryptocurrency markets, once they turn to bullish, what that effect will have on Matic's price. That's why, in my opinion, Matic is an easy portfolio allocation when it comes to Web3 exposure. If you have made it to the end, I want to personally thank you for your time. Our videos come out weekly on Thursday, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Goodbye, my friends.